What makes this project so unique isn't just the craftsmanship, it's the scale of it. 3 full roof replacements, 3 homes, all side by side on the same court here in Roseville. Over the course of this project, our crew transformed every one of these homes with brand new roofing systems using premium CertainTeed Solaris shingles, each homeowner choosing a different color to match the style of their property. The first home received CertainTeed Solaris in Moire Black. Before we could begin roofing, the existing solar system had to be professionally removed to protect the equipment and allow us full access to the roof deck underneath. Once the solar was removed, we tore off the old roofing materials and inspected the decking to make sure the structure underneath was solid and ready for a new system. Any compromised wood was replaced before installation began, because a quality roof always starts with a strong foundation. From there, we installed new synthetic underlayment, upgraded waterproofing components in critical leak-prone areas, and began installing the new CertainTeed Solaris shingles with precision and attention to detail every step of the way. After the roofing system was complete, the solar panels were carefully reinstalled and integrated back onto the home properly, giving the homeowner both a beautiful new roof and continued solar performance. The second home right next door received CertainTeed Solaris in Graphite. This color gave the home a clean, modern appearance while still delivering the energy-efficient benefits Solaris shingles are known for. Just like the first property, the roof was fully torn off down to the decking so we could inspect every layer underneath. Our crew then installed a complete roofing system designed for durability, ventilation, and long-term protection against the California elements. Last but not least, we began tear-off and replacement of the third home on the court. This home received CertainTeed Solaris in Birchwood, bringing a more dimensional look that completely refreshed the appearance of the property. Watching these 3 homes come together side by side was something special. Different colors, different styles, but the same commitment to quality installation on every single roof. Projects like this take coordination, planning, and a crew that takes pride in the details. From tear-off to final cleanup, every phase of these re-roofs was handled with care to make sure these homeowners received roofing systems built to last for years to come. At Solarado Roofing and Solar, we believe a roof replacement is more than just shingles. It's protection for the home, improved efficiency, and peace of mind for the homeowner. If your roof is showing signs of age, storm damage, or simply nearing the end of its lifespan, reach out to Solarado Roofing and Solar to schedule a professional inspection and see what a properly installed roofing system can do for your home.